everyone, we're heading into an old Key West one-bedroom suite. First of all, there's a family room with a kitchen, a dishwasher, stove, microwave, refrigerator, freezer. There's a little bar area for snacks and whatever. A kitchen. A nice comfy couch. This chair folds out into a twin bed. And this one folds into, I think it's a queen. We've actually used, it's a full? Sorry, it's a full. We've actually used both when we've had our sons and daughter-in-laws with us. There's a patio out here. No, it's kind of dark, sorry. There's a fountain in the back if you can hear it going. You can see some of the other areas. Then over here, laundry room, ironing board, washer, dryer. The first bathroom, well, kind of. Sink, shower, and then there's two doors. And then in here is a sink. My favorite, the jacuzzi bathtub after you've walked around the parks all day. With a little breezeway you can close if you need to. A closet with extra blankets and pillows for the bed out in the TV area. A king-size bed with another TV. And then another entrance out onto the little balcony that you can use to eat when it's warmer out than it is today. We would highly recommend this. We've actually stayed in one of these before, and it's very useful. You can bring your own food, make your own dinners, breakfasts, save a little money on top of it. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.